Good morning, guys. Welcome to MCM Gauteng. My name's Adrian and I'm at the Midrand branch.
Hi guys, Clarence here from MCM in Bloemfontein.
Hallo, my naam is Jak van MCM Kaapstad hier in Kraaifontein.
G'day, my name is Ruan. I'm from MCM Cape Town in Kraaifontein.
We have our standard range forklifts on year-end special at the moment. This is the very first one, the first client that took advantage of the special. It's going to be loaded now for delivery.
Let me tell you about the S25 standing here with me today. Comes with a four-cylinder 49 horsepower diesel engine with a lifting capacity of 2.5 tons. You get a 3-stage lifting mast and a side shift function.
So next to me we have our 3-ton standard forklift inclusive with a 4.5 meter container mast.
Kom in kontak met jou naaste MCM handelaar in George, Kaapstad, Midrand en Bloemfontein om na ons jaar-eind deals te kyk.
Get in touch with your nearest MCM branch for our forklift year-end specials now.
Enjoy your day.